Alright, so before I throw this 4-in-1 on this Marmot here, I thought I would show it. I guess we could look at it together since this would be my first time seeing one or using one. So this is the spedix GS 45 amp 4-in-1. It looked pretty nice online. It is $59.99, so it's $60. You got a XT60 with the leads already on it. That's really nice. Some 14 gauge wire. You get some plugs, 2 plugs. I don't know what the hell those are. That is weird. Is that like wire holders or something? I think you put those on here and then the wires can clip onto there. I don't know. That's something new I've never seen before. Take a quick look. What the hell? That's weird. Yeah, it looks like wire clamp, like wire holders, like you would pry it out, put the wires in there, and it just clamps shut. And it's square, and then it has these little square foam tape things, so it must be to kind of clean up your wiring, which is kind of cool. Never seen that before. And you get 1 extra grommet, rubber grommet, and then the other ones are already on the ESC there, I can see. You get a decent sized cap. What is this? 35 volt 470 UF. And here it is. So it's BL Heli 32 3 to 6S, 45 amp with 55 amp burst for 10 seconds, which is pretty good. It looks really nice. I'm a fan of spedix stuff. I like spedix. Haven't really had too much fail from them that I can remember. So you got your telemetry, current, 4 motors, and then you got a, oh, that's cool, you get a 10 volt BEC and no 5 volt. That's really nice. You got pads on both sides for the battery cable, which is really nice. I love that. That's like almost a deal breaker for me when I buy 4-in-1s. And then you get this nice big metal heatsink on one side, which is really nice. It does make it a little bit thicker, but not a lot. I mean, actually it doesn't, because the plug right here, it doesn't even go above that, so it's as tall as the plug is, which is really nice. So actually it's quite thin. Man, that's nice, man. Dang. Really nice 4-in-1. And then you get a, what's this? A little card that shows, it tells you how to set your amperage meter scale. Do not remove the grommet all time. It may cause the short without it. Yeah, probably if you're using metal screws maybe. It's showing the carbon with the standoffs. Oh, I guess they're saying if you didn't use those, it would touch the carbon. I don't know. Just a little precaution there. And then this side shows you a picture of it with the wiring pin out. Pretty nice. I like it. This is pretty weird. I mean, I've never seen that before. I don't even know if I'll use it, but. And then it's cool too that they give you these. I've seen these in other ones too recently, where you can make up your own little wire plug. That's pretty nice. Alright, so I guess that's that. I guess while I'm here, I might as well show this too. Here's a radix, Brain FPV radix flight controller. I haven't used one of these yet. I know that this is quality because Brain FPV makes good stuff. Ooh, I like the white grommets. Get a plug, some spare wires with the pins already on them, some stickers, and the flight controller with a static shielding bag. That's cool. So there's that. I like how it's much smaller than the mounting holes. That's pretty awesome. It's light as a feather too. I like that it has the plug as well as the pads. That's really nice. Looks like a SD slot right there. You can do 6 motors. 1 UART, 2, 3 UARTs. Voltage, current. I don't see any telemetry, but I guess you can just run it to a spare UART. Buzzer. Yeah. I like that it's just basic, it's light, it has everything you need. Awesome. Alright, well, I'm going to get this marmot built up, and you guys will see it when it's done. Alright.